You're making a doctoral exam for your candidates. You're going through tens of hundreds of books, seeking unique questions to put in the exam. Hundreds of hours go by, but you're not done even halfway. Now imagine having the power at just a single click of your mouse, and all the work is done for you. Introducing the revolutionary YouTestMe and ChatGPT integration that is saving training managers hundreds of hours daily. You can say goodbye to the endless hours spent racking your brain for original and accurate assessment questions. This cutting-edge solution is here to transform the way you create and design test questions for candidates. With YouTestMe and ChatGPT, you gain access to a virtual team member that's available 24/7, tirelessly generating instant and up-to-date content for any topic you desire. No more wasting time on routine tasks that used to take hours on days to complete manually. Within minutes, your tests will become enriched with high-quality questions. The benefits it brings to the realm of online testing are truly unparalleled. Automating the question generation process saves you precious time while ensuring the accuracy and authenticity of your assessments. Imagine the possibilities when you have a virtual assistant that can effortlessly provide an unlimited number of test questions for any topic of your choice. Don't wait any longer. Experience the future of test question generation today. Try YouTestMe and unlock a world of countless possibilities, and embrace the power of AI.